gold yesterday finally made a bullish breakout above this very important smaller time frame resistance level, which was around this one here, around 2693 level, which we can see on the 4-hour time frame that it was 2690.07. We can see this bullish breakout has been formed, and after that the price has returned back down, testing the previous resistance and now acting as a support. And from this area yesterday the price continued to rise in value, and we can see it has reached the daily resistance level. So what I have mentioned in the previous week, in the previous day analysis, the price was targeting to reach this area of resistance, and we can see from here the price reached that area of supply zone, a resistance level, and then slightly retraced back down. So what we can expect further on. Today is a Friday. The Friday is the day when usually the traders get out from their trades to log their profits before the weekend ends, and that means all the profits that traders have took from this area of support, they could be also locking their profits here, and this could also trigger a sell-off, which means the price could return back down. Will that happen? Well, that depends. We'll see what happens, but usually this happens in the afternoon after the very close to the end of the day. So for now I'm waiting today what will happen and see how the price will behave around this resistance level. Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout? Because we can see that it is at the third attempt. This was the first one, second one, and the third one was here. Another thing I would like to mention is this triangle that the price has been broken outside this week, and we can see on the weekly time frame the price was squeezing inside this triangle, and currently we have a bullish breakout where we can see a bullish breakout in the previous week, and this week could be confirmed where the price, we can see the price try to return back down. It has tested the previous resistance, this trend line, now is acting as a support, which adds more support for this and also buying pressure for this attempt to move further on. Now on the daily time frame we can see that the price has gone outside of this small uptrend channel, which is also an indication of the bullish strength. So I'm more inclined to see the price further going up to the higher price levels. Will that happen today? Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout? That is something that I'll watch on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. We can see that because on the smaller levels I have much more information what the price is doing and also how it is behaving. So this is something that I will share with the traders inside the premium analysis after the price forms a bullish or bearish breakout, indicating further rise or decline in value. So for now, at this moment, I am waiting for the market to make a move, and then we'll see what happens. Continues to rise in value or further decline down, where we could see the price again touching an area of support right here around this area, around 2690. If the price makes a bullish breakout, we can see usually what happens, the price goes all the way to this level around this area of resistance, which will be around 2740. Let's round this up, and after that the price continues to the next resistance level, which will be 2751. Will that happen? Well, let's go step by step and we'll see what happens. First of all, the price needs to make a bullish breakout above this resistance level. That's all for today. If you would like also to join the premium analysis, feel free to check where I'm also sharing the updates whenever there is a bullish or bearish breakout. It is a simple notification with the breakout and also the target when that happens. There is no too much text, there is no much content, only one single sentence with the target. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.